Have you ever noticed how many of Jesus' parables use things from nature? He talked about seeds, trees, soil, sheep, and birds. For example, in the parable of the sower, the different types of soil represent our hearts and how we listen to God's word. In the parable of the mustard seed, a tiny seed grows into a big tree, showing how even small faith can grow into something great. By using nature, Jesus made spiritual truths easy to understand. When you see plants, birds, or trees, remember God can teach us important lessons through His creation.